Kia ora koutou, and welcome to the very first video in the intermediate series. My name is Sasha, and if you've gone through all of the videos in the beginner playlist, then this one's for you. We're going to step it up a level, and I'm going to teach you an EB arm wrap. Okay, this one's definitely going to be a little bit harder. So remember in the first series I taught you an arm wrap, and it looked like this. This one's a bit harder than that. It's called an EB arm wrap, and an EB generally means that one arm goes behind your back. So definitely a little bit trickier. I'm going to show you what it looks like to start with. Okay, let's break it down a little bit. The first thing we're going to do is we're just going to get used to having one arm behind our back. So I'm going to turn this way. You stay facing me. We're just going to do this part. Get one arm behind your back. It doesn't matter which one, left or right, whatever. And then the other arm shoots right out the side. So we just want to get used to that arm being there. If we're this side, it's like that. Make sure that arm's out nice and straight, all the way it can go. All right? Once we've kind of got used to having, feels a little bit weird, one arm behind the back, we're going to do a jump, and immediately that arm's going to go behind our back and that one's going to shoot out. Okay? So this is what it will look like. There we go, immediately behind the back. Then, once we're here, we've got the loop, we're going to give it that swing. So this arm's stretching out there, we're going to give it a little turn so that it comes over the top of our arm and we catch it. The next step is to rotate our body to the other side, like so. So that arm's still pointing all the way out straight. This arm still behind our back. Then we're going to rotate it backwards. Swing it backwards, give it one more swing up to the sky, and back to the front. Let's have a little look in slow-mo. There you have it. So the exit of this can be a little bit tricky, so I'm just going to give a few tips on that. So once we've jumped, you'll notice that most of the time the rope will just automatically come over the arm, so you won't have to give it too much of a swing. That momentum will just bring it over. See, I barely did anything then, and it just came over, caught it on my arm. So when we move this way, we go backwards. So I've unwrapped it once, so it's unwrapped. Then I want to give it one more swing up to the sky, backwards. Up to the sky, and then move my body around to the front, and that arm comes out the back. Let me just do that one more time for you. Let's have a look at it from behind as well. There you have it, your first video in the intermediate series. It's called an EB arm wrap. Keep practicing because it will be a little bit trickier than the videos in the beginner series. I'll catch you in the next video. Ka kite anō.